Hello, boys and girls. Ms. Melanie wants to read you a fun book called Look Out, Kindergarten, Here I Come. That's what you should be saying because kindergarten is right around the corner for you just this September. So in September, you're going to go to kindergarten. Remember, we've been talking about stepping up to kindergarten and stepping out of pre-K because your stepping up ceremonies have happened and you're going to go to kindergarten in September. Now, we don't know what kindergarten will be like for you, but we're going to read you fun books about kindergarten to help you know what is going to happen. And remember, I told you in another video, you're going to have counting in kindergarten and writing and reading and spelling and adding and subtracting, dancing, singing, and art. Now, this book is called Look Out, Kindergarten, Here I Come. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the book and then I'm going to ask you 5 questions at the end. And I'd like you to try to answer them with Mommy and Daddy. Now, the book is called Look Out, Kindergarten, Here I Come by Nancy Carlson. Do you know when I say by Nancy Carlson? She is the author. She is the writer of this book. And here is our character. It's a mouse. It's okay. But it's a fun book to read to know what is going to happen and what you should do right before you go to kindergarten and what you're going to do in kindergarten and how much fun you will have. You ready? Okay, here we go. Look out, kindergarten. Here I come. And there he is. He has his backpack on, ready to go to kindergarten. And let's meet him. And his name is Henry. Here he is. He wrote his name for us. A lot of you should know how to write your name too. Wake up, dear, said Henry's mom. It's the first day of kindergarten. Oh boy, let's go, said Henry. He had been getting ready for this day all year. Not so fast, said his mom. First, you need to wash up and get dressed, right? When you wake up, you have to go and wash up and get dressed. So that's what Henry's going to do. So Henry brushed his teeth. Do you remember how many times a day we should brush our teeth? Good, yes, 2 times a day. Once when we wake up in the morning and 1 time when we go to bed, before we go to bed. The way his dentist had shown him and washed behind his ears. Then he buttoned his shirt and snapped his jeans and almost tied his shoes. But it's okay if you don't know how to tie your shoes. Mommy and Daddy can help you. But you should learn in kindergarten. Okay, I'm all ready for kindergarten, said Henry. Not so fast, said his mom. First, you need a good breakfast. Do you remember you need to eat a good breakfast? Always have a good breakfast before you start your day. So Henry ate 3 pancakes and a bowl of fruit and drank a big glass of milk. Well, that sounds like a nice, healthy breakfast that will fill you up. Now I'm ready to go, said Henry. Not so fast, said his mom. You still need to pack up your supplies. So Henry packed. What are these, everyone? Good pencils, and good scissors, paper, crayons, glue, and apple. And what else do you think he got? Let's find out. A photo of his mom and dad in case he got lonely. It's okay to have a photo of Mommy and Daddy. Now I'm ready, said Henry. All right, they're on their way to school. How are they getting to school? What do you think we'll do first, asked Henry. Do you think we'll paint? Sure you will, said his mom, just like at home. Good, said Henry. What else will we do? What else? You'll probably learn your ABCs, said his mom. Hey, I already know the letters in my name, said Henry. What will we do after that? He knows how to write his name and he knows what letters. And they are Henry. Henry. You'll sing songs and play games. Yeah, just like pre-K. And you might practice counting, said his mom. Again, just like what we did in pre-K. 1, 2, 3 flowers, said Henry. I can count to 10 because we practice counting with buttons. What comes next? Let's find out. You'll make fun things in arts and crafts. You'll read stories. But I can't read, said Henry. That's okay, said his mom. You'll start by listening. Reading comes later. So teachers will read to you just like your teachers in pre-K did, and then soon you'll be able to read your own books by yourself. Here we are, said Henry's mom. It's so big, said Henry. What if I get lost? Remember we found your room and your cubby at kindergarten roundup, said his mom. But you can always ask a teacher for help. Yeah, if you need help, you ask a teacher. When Henry got to his room and saw lots of new faces, he said, I want to go home. It's new for him. Why don't you come in and look around, said his teacher, Ms. Bradley. So Henry looked around. He saw the art corner. He saw letters and numbers that he knew. See? He saw letters and numbers that he knew. Here's the art corner. It looks like pre-K classroom almost. He saw a bookcase full of books, and he met a new friend to play with. And there are blocks. Well, what do you think? Asked Henry's mom. I think I might stay for a while, Mom, said Henry. Because kindergarten is going to be fun. Yay, kindergarten is going to be a lot of fun. And I hope you enjoy kindergarten. However, it starts for us in September for you all. So, I'm going to ask you your 5 questions now. Are you ready? Number 1. What did Henry have to do before he can go to school? Name at least one thing he had to do. Number 2. How did Henry get to school? Do you remember? Number 3. What were some of the activities he asked his mom that he will do in kindergarten? There were a few. You don't have to answer all of them, but you can give some of them if you want. Number 4. Why did Henry get upset when he got to his classroom? Do you remember? And number 5. How did Henry feel about looking around the classroom? Why did he feel that way after he looked? So those are your questions, and this was our fun book of Look Out Kindergarten, Here I Come. I hope you enjoyed the story and you listened carefully to Ms. Melanie reading it to answer these 5 questions. And if you want, your mommy or daddy can email us your answers of those questions. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.